Yeah, it's definitely not a ruin. It's very interesting to see it in this state. I mean, this has changed dramatically in the space of a week. Half the stage has gone since I last came and had a look. No, it's exciting. This is exactly why this place is loved, because it's having money spent on it and getting it back to how it should be. It's daunting. The whole process has been daunting. All the organisation beforehand, before the contract was awarded, was very daunting. It still is. I've still just gone downstairs and seen there's a door where I didn't think there was going to be a door. But when you're used to spending time doing up a little house or something like that, then the scale of this is huge. And then obviously all the expectations of when it's finished and who'll be on stage and how much money it's cost, then yeah, huge pressure. Yeah, several sleepless nights, and the more you tell me things like that, the more I'm going to worry. I felt quite confident until I wandered around with yourselves today. No, I'm okay. This is, you know, you can't make an omelette, can you, without breaking a few eggs, and this is the stage that we're at the moment, and I dare say it's going to get worse before it gets better. I did actually come in and were mortified that the seats weren't covered over until I realised they were all getting refurbished. So actually it doesn't matter. But the best thing about it is, from the pictures that you've taken, people will be able to see that actually the beauty and the original features have remained. What's actually been changed has been things that have changed many times over the year. So they have no particular historical importance, and they're changing for the better, so that people's view and comfort once they're in the auditorium will have been enhanced massively, and to be able to get a drink and socialise beforehand. So it's a bit of a win-win really, with keeping the original features as well.
Yeah, we're obviously preserving this building, we're looking after it. There's lots of work to do to get it back to its original state, a lot of strip out, of keeping the original seating, the furniture has all got to be carefully restored and put back together again. So it's not quite a construction project, it's more a work of art in the construction sense. This building is quite a classic example of going through all the eras, the 1830s, the original trades, all the original craftsmen, going through to the 60s add-on bits. There's a slightly different techniques, I won't say which is the best. Great example is the roof that's been on here since 1830s, and we're just now putting it back together again, and hopefully it'll last for another 150 years. Same techniques that they would have used all those years ago, 150 years ago. So it's people that we employ all buy into it, and they all like working here. So it's what they really like to do, to bring it back to life again.